I wanted to show off my froggy cut before starting. I did my base makeup off camera. If you want to see a video on how I do that, I have a video which you can watch right here. Starting off with purple eyeshadow, I am placing that on my crease, then blending it out. I'm adding more of the color back on since it faded from blending it out. So, how is everyone? I know it's back to school season. Not fun, I know, but that means Halloween is coming. The most exciting time of the year. I have some ideas of what my Halloween costume might be. Back to the makeup look. I'm now just going back and forth with blending and adding color. This part always takes the longest. Either it will look too faded or just right. It all depends on the moment. Now I'm adding some of that color onto the outer part of my under eyes. And just blending that out. Now I'm taking a lighter purple and placing that on my inner eyelid. Now adding a light purple shimmer shade on my eyelids, my brow bone, my inner corners of my eyes. Now onto my eyeliner. After lining my eyes, I'm starting on my wings. I did some different graphic liner again. Again, like most makeup looks, I did this look after making a mistake once, then just like the way it looked after. I had just realized I hadn't done my eyebrows yet, so I'm quickly filling in my eyebrows before moving on. After curling my eyelashes, I then go on to mascara. I got a new mascara from Walmart recently. It's a Lottie London Super Fake Mascara. So far I've been really liking it. Sadly my Walmart stopped selling Lottie London recently. So now I found a new mascara that I really like and it's no longer being sold at my Walmart. I tried out nose contouring for this look. I don't think I did it right, but it still looks good. Adding some eyeliner onto my nose, my brow bone, and above my eyebrows. I'm going in with a black liquid lipstick. I remember when I used to use liquid lipsticks every day in my junior/senior year of high school and in the first few years of college, but now I don't wear it much. I stopped wearing it due to it becoming too overstimulating on my lips. All done. I hope you like watching today's video. I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to like the video and comment down below. Comment some makeup looks or crochet tutorials you would like to see. I hope to see you next time. Bye!